Later that night.
Where are we? How did we get here? Chris?
What's that, little one? Evil is lurking? Let me guess.
Raymond?
Run! Run for your lives! What? What's happening?
Will someone please explain how we got here? Probably Sonata put another taco in the toaster.
How am I supposed to know you can't put tacos in the toaster? Mommy!
Everybody just shut up! Alex Court is now in session, and how you got here is none of your concern.
Since when does the Alex Productions courtroom have a courtroom? I do not know. Neither do I. None of us do. Yeah. And where's Chris? Yeah, where is Chris?
None of your gosh darn business what happened to Chris.
Now, Alex Court is now in session. Judge Monokuma presented.
Now, you were expecting something considerably less tasteful.
Screwed up either way if you ask me. Yeah, before we start, I'd like to ask a couple of questions. Why the portrait of Chris? Why not? Just because he's not here, I hate for him to miss the proceedings. What about that extra podium? Counting the positive community members, we only have 22. Why 23 podiums? It's reserved for him.
Him who?
Perry the Platypus?
Yes, Perry the Platypus, a secret agent of OWCA. Your mission is to be part of this trial and find any evidence to read the charges that Raven is guilty. Or die trying.
You can't be serious. You're reading too much into it, darling. The extra podium just means this courtroom is stripped out for a maximum of 16 jurors. Speaking of which, that's all the time you've got for pleasantries. Ladies and jurors, time to get judicial.
You know, sometimes being a jury of the court is a lot harder than it looks.
Tell me about it.
Raymond has done a lot of nasty, evil, bad things. But, can a jury, community members ever figure it out? And who told Raymond to do those nasty, evil things? Find out when we come back on LX Productions New Year!
And now, the special presentation.